Looking for a fun and delicious DIY project for this Christmas? How about creating your own Christmas hot cocoa bombs? These chocolate spheres filled with hot cocoa mix and marshmallows have become a festive favorite. So, are you ready to create your own Christmas hot cocoa bombs? Here's what you'll need. First things first, gather all the ingredients. You'll need some chocolate, cocoa powder, and mini marshmallows. Don't forget to pick your favorite toppings too, perhaps some crushed candy canes for that festive touch. Now that you have all the ingredients, let's move to the fun part, the process. This is where the magic happens. Time to create your hot cocoa bombs. We begin with melting the chocolate. You can use a microwave or a double boiler. Just be sure to keep the heat low and stir frequently to prevent scorching. Once your chocolate is silky smooth, it's time to coat the molds. A thin, even layer is all you need. Next comes the filling. A spoonful of cocoa mix and a handful of mini marshmallows nestled into one half of the mold. Now, it's time to seal the deal. Warm the edges of the second half of the mold slightly, then press it onto the filled half. The warmth will melt the chocolate just enough to seal the two halves together. Give your cocoa bomb some time to set, preferably in the refrigerator, until the chocolate hardens, and voila! You now have your own Christmas hot cocoa bombs. But wait, there's one more thing to do. Don't forget the final touch, decorating your hot cocoa bombs. You can give them a festive look by drizzling melted white chocolate over the top. For that extra Christmas sparkle, sprinkle some crushed candy canes. The contrast of the white chocolate and the red of the candy canes will make your bombs look as good as they taste. And there you have it, your very own Christmas hot cocoa bombs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun and delicious DIY projects. Enjoy your Christmas and your hot cocoa!